Introducing the simple Houseware Stackable Can Rack Organizer. To assemble the can rack, align the bottom shelf with the side frames and firmly push down at the corners. Do this to secure all sides of the shelf. Once the bottom rack is secured, attach the rest of the shelves to create 3 tiers. Next, attach the non-slip feet to the bottom corners like so. Finally, add the adjustable dividers according to your preference. If you have 2 or more racks, you have the option to stack them and save a ton of space.